So, you might be wondering, is the Aironox Automatic Ironing Machine here worth it for you? Well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So, let's talk about the Aironox Ironing Machine here. Now, it's marketed as a futuristic appliance that takes away one of the most boring household chores out there, which is ironing. Now, instead of dragging out an ironing board here, heating up a very heavy plate and hoping you don't burn yourself, this gadget claims you can just hang your wrinkled shirt, press a button, and just walk away. That sounds super amazing, and something out of a futuristic like TV series or or something like that. But the idea itself actually makes sense. Now, traditional ironing is quite slow, repetitive, and even prone to mistakes, especially if you accidentally burn yourself. That's gonna suck, honestly. So yeah, the Airnox uses heat and air circulation in a controlled space to smooth out fabrics while they hang. So basically acting like a mini dry cleaner in your home. No, it's not new science here. Heat plus steam plus airflow equals fewer wrinkles. So that's how it works. But applying it in all-in-one home device is actually quite clever here. It makes things a lot easier. So yeah, so when it comes to real life uses, so the feedback isn't perfectly clear. So some people actually say that it saves them time and does a good job with shirts and blouses. Now, for professionals who need clothes every day, the convenience factor is definitely appealing here. But at the same time, you may want to keep in mind a few things. So here's where the caution comes in. Now, the core technology is legitimate. No worries about it. And other well known brands have made similar machines that work, but when a product like this comes from a company with little history, because the website or the company itself is quite new here, so and lots of marketing hype here, so the risk whether you're paying for real invention or just an overpriced garment streamer with fancy branding here can be quite high. So again, it could be quite riskier, especially if the company is quite new. But if you're curious about the automatic ironing machine in general, they can be generally useful, especially for anyone short on time or dealing with mobility issues. So, but before buying into Aeronox, it's smarter to do your research and establish brands that already have proven track records here. And otherwise, you might end up with an expensive experiment instead of just time-saving solution you were hoping for. Now, I would highly suggest you to basically do your own research first, see which similar companies or companies that actually sell the similar product here and see which one works for you. And also, I would highly recommend you to wait for other reviews, check out different platforms like Reddit or even other platforms like Facebook and see what people are saying about the product itself and see if it's going to be worth it for you. But that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.